Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, this one tough. Like, I was waiting for 100 years to hear this good news when I hear so. I bet make una take una time. Listen to this video from the beginning to the end. A lot is going on behind closed door. There are some people that believe that, oh, I want to fight the battle by myself because they don't have that patience. But there are people that leave the battle for God to fight for them. Somebody like our Queen May Edochie. She never fought anybody. May Edochie said, I don't think I can dislike anybody, let alone the father of my own children. So, with that being said, you can know that this woman do not have grudges against anybody. She only asks God to judge, that's all. But because they know that May Edochie is that kind-hearted person, they did that dirty. They played that dirty. They played her bad. I don't even know how to explain some. The ones you people saw on social media is just a little to what they really did to that woman. And yet, upon everything they did to May Edochie, she has never explained it to you people. She has never come out to say it. She just tell us things that maybe about her business, when things were rough, how she was able to stand back on her feet. But the gong where a lot of us want make she talk, May Edochie cannot tell you. Because she knows if she talk am, that is the end of the story. And that end of the story, that means that is the end of Yoyoyo. May Edochie don't wish that for him. Because if May Edochie wish that for him, you see that court case, they will finish Yoyoyo for them. May Edochie for don't finish her. So, my lovely fans, congratulations to May Edochie. Congratulations. All our enemies, they don't use head, they hit each other. Without May Edochie taking their name to native doctor, without May Edochie doing all-night prayer for their head, the only all-night prayer wey she dey do na protection from God for she and her children because of anaconda python when e dey inside Yoyoyo life. So that if food don dey hungry away e wan swallow, make e for dey see Yoyoyo swallow, make e remove eye comot for she and her children body. May Edochie has never taken Juju Ekwensu name to any prophet, native doctor, to do anything against her. But on the other way round, na them they carry May Edochie name. They waka from one river to another. There is no river, no goddess of the river in Nigeria that don't know May Edochie name. No goddess of the rivers in Nigeria will never hear May Edochie name. They don't carry May Edochie name go see. They don't carry May Edochie name go Babish. No say Babish. Now there the queen mother dey o Babish. Now there e dey. They don't carry May Edochie name go there. There is no place they've not taken her name to. And na she innocent o. All she said is God will judge them. But surprisingly, today I have a good news for you people. I'm just telling you people so that you will know that some people, they do not fight battle. But God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, when he fights your battle, hey, it go be like Nollywood movie. Make una come see Nollywood movie, don dey happen for reality. We think say na Nollywood movie we dey watch o. This thing when it dey happen so, your story, Juju Ekwensu and May Edochie story, it look like Nollywood, but it's reality. You see these three people wey una dey see for here so, they gang up together against May Edochie. At least Juju Ekwensu did not show her face, oh. But you see these two men, they were close to May Edochie. One was May Edochie ex-husband, while the other one was a closest family friend to May Edochie. May Edochie can even call this man and tell him, oh, see what is happening in my house, so please talk to your friend. That was how close they were. You see three of them, they can't gang up together against this woman. And the worst part of it, they've already started this battle against May Edochie, but May Edochie never knew. You know all those friends who be say they don't get person for mind, but the person no go know. You go see they come your house, they eat, they drink with you. If you turn your back, it go be like say may they buy you. It go be like say may they buy the person, not you, my lovely fans. That is these three people. There is nothing they did not do to May Edochie. There is nothing they did not do to this woman. My lovely fans, devil don't conk their head, though. They don't they fight against each other. When God answer your prayer, if you dey talk your story, you go dey smile. You go dey laugh. So laugh now, you go dey laugh. You see how God has put smile on May Edochie face. Now so we are fans, they smile, oh. Now so we they laugh, they follow May Edochie, oh. No time for the enemy. Why will I have time for them? I don't have their time, oh. If I see anybody who post anything bad about May Edochie, I will just laugh. May Edochie say, I don't have time. We don't have time to check bad things. We check positive things. Devil don't conk their head. Three of them don't hit head against each other. My lovely fans, leave the battle for God. Those that gathered against you, God will scatter them. Now them go still use their mouth to confess. Now, yo, don't begin to complain. Say he won't come up for Abuja. Say this Abuja journey don't tire am. Say he no know what he even carry and come Abuja in the first place. He can't call this a friend. This a friend that he tell am then say he should run and go and meet Juju Ekwensu. Say May Edochie not be better person. Now this a friend don't turn around. Tell you say make you run. Run and leave Juju Ekwensu. Run, Juju Ekwensu. That bad luck, bad head. He can't turn against Juju Ekwensu now. We don't know what happened though. Whether Juju Ekwensu use charm on yo. Yo still carry wetin this friend tell him. Go tell Juju Ekwensu. Go tell Juju Ekwensu. Now Juju Ekwensu and this man, this yo friend, they don't hit head for each other. Now the friend of yo, don't the verse for yo. Yo say it's not his clear eye. Kasala burst between three of them. So the friend was now angry with yo. Say, why will you tell Juju Ekwensu? He's telling you something about your life. Can't you see that woman is not good for you? Carry your bag, may you come out. If they advise you on what to do, you went to tell Juju Ekwensu. Now yo say, wait till they even they advise themselves. Is that not how you advise him to leave May Edochie? You advise him to leave May Edochie. He left May Edochie. Look at his life today. Did you not date Ekwensu romance Mami Water sister? But did you leave your wife for her? Hey! Wonder. Wonder. You go turn to wanderer. Yo asks his best friend from another mother. When you were dating Juju Ekwensu's sister, did you leave your wife for her? Yes or no? The man say, why you go leave your wife? His wife, they give him problem. His wife, they give him headache. Will you just wake up one morning and leave a woman that is giving you peace because of a side chick? Why will he do that? Now you can't tell a friend, say, then why did you advise him to leave his own wife? Now a friend tell you say, now you carry me Edochie matter come me then. Your friend told you are the one that is not satisfied with your wife. You are the one that does not appreciate your wife. Even if he tell you, say, okay, go and meet Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu is doing better. Juju Ekwensu is better. Why don't you use your brain to calculate? After all, now you deal with the two of them. Now you know where you find peace. Now you know the one way they give you peace of mind. And you said Juju Ekwensu is the one giving you peace of mind. Did you not say it with your mouth? Wonder shall never end. My people, kasala don burst. Yo told his best friend, say na lie. Say his best friend know May Edochie more than himself. That his best friend know that May Edochie is a good woman. May Edochie does not give him problem. May Edochie is one of the sweetest soul that you can be with money tonight. You no go dey bored. May Edochie is somebody when the best friend know very well that she's a good woman. But you told him that Juju Ekwensu is better. That both of them are actors and actresses. They will make a good way in their business. That is what you told him. Yo said his best friend told him that May Edochie is too calm. That you need somebody that is already in the industry. That May Edochie cannot face camera. Hey, my lovely fans, things they happen. Make una draw na check come. Make una draw na check come. Yo say 3 of them I go native daughter place. 3 of them. He say when they reach there, say the native daughter tell am say he go be president. Say see chair. Say he go rule Nigeria. Yo say after they left that place, he say now this his friend come tell am say the only person that can sit with you on that position is Juju Ekwensu. May Edochie is too calm. That woman cannot face camera. By the time you get to that position where you will become president, that is where yo will become president of Nigeria. Hey, there is serious for that matter. No wonder Juju Ekwensu dey shout his excellency. This is excellency. Now only God know where una for the C division. So, yo, the desperation of he will become the president, his best friend now told him that Juju Ekwensu is the best because she is used to Nollywood movie camera. She can face camera, she can come out and stand for yo, which May Edochie cannot do. So at this point, make you choose Juju Ekwensu. According to yo, he said na his best friend, na he put all this imagination for his head. Say Juju Ekwensu is the best. May Edochie wey no go fit talk for front of camera. May Edochie wey no go fit present herself. I beg. That woman is too sluggish for his liking. That woman no, he no like that woman. This position you want to claim now Juju Ekwensu fits you for that place. You said that was what his best friend told him. Mumu, he not go his house, go sit down, think. He just concludes, say yes, what his best friend said was truth. But what he did not know was that this his best friend, na Juju Ekwensu customer. Juju Ekwensu and best friend, they don't follow Nicodemus road. So the man is trying to protect the one way they give him for backyard. Can you imagine? He dated Juju Ekwensu's sister, but he did not leave his own wife for Juju Ekwensu's sister. He constantly carry her put for Juju Ekwensu's body. Juju Ekwensu constantly open for her so that he go feel they convince yo. Now the anger in yo is that this man is the one that advised him to leave May Edochie. Now the man tell you so whether you not small picking. Which advice he give you? Which advice he won't give you will make you leave your own wife without you using your brain? Hey, wonder shall never end. On the other hand, Juju Ekwensu is angry. That why with this man go and tell you to pack and leave Abuja. Now, 3 of them, kasala don burst. They don't begin the true things so. They don't begin to expose their secrets. This man said Juju Ekwensu sister is the master of native doctor. The native doctor place where they go, now Juju Ekwensu sister still carry and go. Juju Ekwensu sister took him there, telling him that he will blow in Hollywood. The man saying they do upcoming movie, those film way out with the Osofia, way out with Ukwa. Now remember one film where this man out with Ukwa, that film blow. Now there we can't say no this man. Who can they call him fine boy? The boy fine where that time. Oh my God, he really fine. He said then he never start to date Juju Ekwensu's sister. He said until Juju Ekwensu's sister come. He said after he act that film, he said life he way open for the industry. A lot of people were now reaching out to him because everybody was calling him fine boy. Before you know what they happen, he said Juju Ekwensu's sister, 2 of them come meet, they call the dates. Juju Ekwensu's sister now told him that he want to take him to a native doctor where they go bath am, where we go open. He says this way he go there come. Nobody they see his face again. Nobody where they see his face. He take only people where be say they watch those old movie to know who he is. He can't be like say he go use, be like person where use toilet water take bath. He say na so he can't be. Till today, he no fit blow for the industry again. So he said Juju Ekwensu's sister is the master planner of native doctor and Juju place when they go. So according to him, he's not the one that lead them on this journey. 3 of them went, but not be no native doctor. Now the Juju Ekwensu, now they no native doctor. I laugh in Chinese. My people, not be small secrets they throw away. Not be small secret. Now you can tell and say, but we are knocking Juju Ekwensu. My people, wonder shall never end though. They don't begin to confess. Juju Ekwensu on the other hand said that this man is jealous of Yo. He is jealous because he no fit blow for the industry. Yo don't blow. And he's trying everything possible to pull Yo down. Hey! Wonder. I say wonder day here. That's why I say watch the video from the beginning to the end. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Now, Juju Ekwensu say this man is jealous of Yo. He has been doing different things to bring Yo down. Now, my question is, Juju Ekwensu, this man has been trying everything to bring Yo down. Are you the Nakademosan? Is it that both of you are planning on how to bring Yo down? Hey! When God want to disgrace your enemy, he go put confusion for their midst. Confusion don't enter their body. Yo say they are the one that are spoiling his mind towards his wife. Say now they tell him, say these 2 people where they here. Now they tell him, say me Edochie, na ikpa Kambele Chukwu. Now they carry and go native doctor. Different native doctor place where they carry and go. They were the one that told him that me Edochie ikpa Kambele Chukwu. They were the one that also told him that me Edochie want to buy him. They were the one that called him one day, they asked. They tell him, say, make you run. Say, me Edochie won't put poison for ground. If he cross the thing, say, go buy. He just get up now, so he run. He should record the house and say, Papa, what is it? He say, run, come up for us. He go Juju Ekwensu place. Me Edochie was panicking, calling him. He no pick. That time, they still dey in marriage. He said they were the one that called him. He said they were the one that destroyed me Edochie name to him. He said anytime they tell him something about me Edochie, they will say, come, let's go and check in one native doctor and see if we are lying. If they reach there, true, wait till they tell her, now the native doctor will talk. He said they were the one that advised him to attack May Edochie on social media. You say they have secret accounts on social media. When they say they deal with May Edochie, when they say they bully May Edochie, say they have it. He said they have it. He said the way these two people they hate me. He said the way these two people they dislike May Edochie. Say Nana I declare. Say your eyes don't clear. They say you to Juju Ekwe to say the thing we do May Edochie may go confess am, may they free. That what Juju Ekwe did to May Edochie, make Juju Ekwe to go and confess, because that's in the affect am. If they affect am, you say they are all bad friend. This is best friend wey it say a better person. You know say this is best friend, na even a enemy. Wonder shall never end though. Hey, Tori don yapata. Ton yapata. They say make they go, make Juju Ekwe to go confess. They say there is something he did to May Edochie. My lovely fans, they say that thing we do to May Edochie, me go confess. They say they worry all of them. Even this you best friend, he say the thing they worry. He say he mind not settle. He say don't try go beg May Edochie for their back. He say but there's this thing that is still chasing him. This your best friend say make Juju Ekwe so they do what they do. He say make Juju Ekwe so not let her open him mouth. Say Juju Ekwe so know say know a lot. Your best friend say Juju Ekwe so don't manipulate yo. Now I make yo they expose everything come aside. Your best friend tell Juju Ekwe so say make Juju Ekwe so not let her open him mouth. Say Juju Ekwe so know say he know everything, even waiting you not know. Everything they did against May Edochie. He say where Juju Ekwe so put May Edochie pants. He say he know am. Where they put May Edochie bra. Hey. But they tell us that they say the bra and the pants, Juju Ekwe so don't bring her come outside the bunda. I be another one still there. This man say make they no let her open mouth. Say go finish them. He said that because of easy wine. Now make can they look Juju Ekwe so. Hey, say because of their friendship. I know say he dates that one. He knock Juju Ekwe so sister. He say that one make her no want talk. Say that one make her no want talk. If you open him mouth, she say everywhere go scatter. He said everything that they did to May Edochie. Say go expose her. Confession. See confession. He say where they put May Edochie pants and bra. He say me Juju Ekwe is not let her open mouth. He say where they bury Kambi Lichuku before the boy buy. Make they not let her open mouth. Make Juju Ekwe is not let her open mouth. Now you call and tell and say he don't tire for Abuja. Now he tell and say make he come out if he tire. After all, he come out leave your wife. If you know say you not get peace for here, come out. What did he say wrong? Now Juju Ekwe so say why go talk and now the man say why he not go talk. I said this your best friend tell Juju Ekwe so say the only person you can tie down is you. You know say you not fit try her with her. You not fit. Cause that place where you know you know how to. Hey! One dash shall never end though. See what it just they happen. He say make Juju Ekwe so go confess, make set all of them free. All the tie for inside her jamation, make you go confess. He say make Juju Ekwe so go confess. He say the accident when they threw go give May Edochie enemy. Una remember one time when May Edochie can't do video when he be say she can't dey shout accident, somebody hit her car. The man say na they throw, say na Juju Ekwe so throw am. Say na he throw that accident. But the accident, you know, can't hit May Edochie. Say Juju Ekwe so not let her open mouth. Say not let her open mouth. He say I been at the sickness where they throw, go give May Edochie. Me no let her open mouth. Hey! Hey, let's go. My people, if I talk, this video go too long. It go too long. They talk many things about me, Edochie, about Kambili, about me, Edochie children. He said when Daniela graduates, my people, Mona no verse, so this is Mirror True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. The video is very long, but I don't want to do it twice. I want to tell you the story. If you watch, if you cannot continue, anytime you get time, you can watch and finish. My people, he say the arrow wey they throw go give Daniela uncle. He say the arrow wey throw go give Daniela. When Daniela come sit down, come they say, I dey turn her, I dey turn her. People that are close to her, he say they can verify it. He say Daniela come they say, I dey turn her, I dey turn her. He say they call carry and sit down. He say the girl they do it, they do it. He say na kpai juju eko esu bon kpai. He say now me Edochie just pack all the rosary. Messiano skincare, no see all of them now a Catholic church. Now they just, and you know say their school na Catholic church. For inside that day when they do graduation, now they give on a G so. They say the girl when they say I dey turn her, I dey turn her, I dey turn her. He say na juju eko esu. Now they operate that day. He say now so they pack all the rosary where they put for Daniela head. He say they say call ambulance. Now me Edochie say like this is not ambulance. Now ambulance carry Kambili she could go hospital where he go by. This is not ambulance. She rejects ambulance. Say now he pack all rosary. They put rosary for Daniela neck. Before you know, Daniela just stand up. Wow. He just be like say that he just disappear. He say Juju eko is not be you doing. Say no let her talk. No let her talk. He say I been at the thing where you throw go give the sickness where you throw go give Zenny where you return back to your own son. He said that autistic, I been autism, I been waiting like they call her, I don't know. I don't feel speak English. I felt tell her say me English with the quarter. He said that sickness where they do juju eko is picking so. He said now Zin they won't try and go give. He said during the time where be say they take born during the time when they take born their star. He say you call they miss Zin. Any small time you say they go because of Zin, because of Zin. He say now Juju eko is won't throw that thing. Go give Zin. He say now return back to our own child. Hey. He say that thing where they do it picky they do like mumu. You go just lost. Now waiting Juju eko is won't go dash me Edochie picky enemy. He say come return back to our own picky. He say all the sickness where Juju eko is children they sick. He say now wait now he say now arrow where me. He say now arrow when Juju eko is true go give me Edochie children when they return back to them. Wonder shall never end, my people. Is to the thing many. The man talk. The man talk. I say if I talk, I no go finish. If I talk, I no go finish. The man say me they no me Juju eko is no let her open mouth. Me no let her open mouth. Or is it your desperation when native daughter because you people want to trap you? Is it the desperation of native daughter sleeping with you and your mother at the same time? Ewe. Ewo. My people, things they happen now. Things they happen. Say the man say no let me talk here family. One man go sleep with all of una. You know they knock your sister. I dated my sister. I dated Juju eko. You see you know did you know knock your sister? You knock your sister, I come marry you. Hey, my people. They say this man know their secret finish. He know and finish. My people, my story not come over long. Make I live and for you. This is Mirror True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up for my video. God bless you.